Welcome back. My name is Newton, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how you can host your static website for absolutely free. Now you are going to get the HTTPS encryption, which means your site is not going to show the not secured warning when someone visits your website. And also you can also add your custom domain names, which you can just buy on any domain provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy. I'm going to use the Namecheap service, so let's get in. Now you can see I have my very nice website here. I'm going to run it so that you can see how nice my website is. So this site was built on Flet. You can see my nice website right here. So this is what I'm going to host, and of course now you can see this is running on localhost, and I'm going to push it online and also add my custom domain name right here. So now let me close this, and then I'm going to go to my terminal again. And in here, since this was built on Flet, I need to first compile to HTML. So to do that, I'm going to run Flet publish, and then I'm going to add the name of this file right here. And inside my requirements file, you can see I have the Flet here. So I'm going to just go to my terminal, and then I'll just type this command here, Flet publish app.py. Now if you're not familiar with Flet, it's a framework for it actually was built on Flutter, so it's kind of Flutter. You can write one code and compile to web, mobile, or desktop application. So I'm going to go on and publish it, and as it's, you can see I have some this folder here. If you're interested in learning more about Flet, I have a full tutorial on Flet. I'll leave the link in the description, and also you can get it up here. You can just click on it, and then after this video you watch that video. Okay, so now that I have my this folder, when I go inside, you can see I have all this right there, right? So I'm going to go on and right click on this, and then review in File Explorer. Now you can see I have it. It's not showing right here. Let me close this first, and then I'll review again. And now you can see I have it right here. So I'm going to go on and rename this to biggest website. So this is the biggest website. I right click, and then I'm going to open it in VS Code, another window. I don't know, I just like working this way. So here I'm going to push it to GitHub. So to do that, I'll just go to source control and initialize repo. I'm not going to do anything fancy, just commit, and I'm going to push the branch to public. So now it should be ready. Okay, so I have it ready. Now let's go on, and then we publish this online so that it will be running 24/7. So to do that, I'm going to go to this website, which is render.com. So render offers free hosting. You can host your Telegram bot, you can host any Python project. It's not only Python, Node, but I'm more cool with Python. So I'm going to go on and then create another video on how to host your Python project, maybe Flask or something. So now in this video we are just going to go on and then host our static website. So I'll click on new, and then here I'm going to go to static site. Now here you can see I have my GitHub link to this site, and you can see the biggest website repo that I just pushed. Now if you don't see this, yes, you just need to click on connect account, and you just connect your GitHub account. Make sure you allow it to read your both the public and private repos. So now if once you have this, all you need to do is you connect your project to the repo that you just pushed, and then from there I'm going to go on and give it a name. I'm going to go with big website, And then here, if you have your files inside another folder, then you need to pass in the name of the folder right here. But since mine are in the main folder, I'm just going to go with this, and this is pointing to all the files in there. And then from here, I'm just going to go on and click on create static site. So now let's wait for some few minutes. It's going to clone our project. You can see right here, and it's cloning. From there, it will just publish and push it online. So let's see. And now it's using the Python 3.7 version. It's cool. I actually didn't add any Python version, so it's going to go on and use this one. So let's see, uploading build. It's taking some time. It will just upload it, and then from there we will see our site live from this URL right here. So render will just add the name that I gave it, so big website, and then plus this name. So let's wait for some time. This is working, and now it says live, but the feedback is not right here yet, so I'm going to keep talking. Okay, so now your site is live and my site is live. So I'm going to go on and click on this URL, and let's see if the site is live. It's loading, and now welcome to the biggest website. Actually, this is a big website, you know. So now that our website is ready, the only thing left we need to do is add our custom domain name. So to do that, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to go to settings, and then I'm going to scroll down to I see this add custom domain. I love this site. It's everything here is very simple. So you just need to click on this, and then the domain name is flettest.online. I got this from Namecheap, and it's pretty cheap. I got this for I think less than $1. So I'm going to go on and click on save, and now you can see it says I need to verify my site. So this is very simple. All I need to do is add a CNAME record pointing to this site URL here, and then I need to add www as it states there. So I'm going to do that. I will copy this and then go to my Namecheap. This is my flettest.online. So I got this on Namecheap, as you can see right here. So I'm inside my dashboard, and then I go to advanced DNS, and now you see add a new record. So I'm going to click on add a new record, and then from here I'm going to add a CNAME record, as you can see right here. And then the host is going to be www as it was stated here, you can see. And then the target is going to be my site, so which is this one. And then for the TTL, I'm going to go with 1 minute, and I'll click on save changes. Now I'm going to do for this one. So this you can see add a name or alias or alias, I don't know how you pronounce it. So I'll just copy this one, and then I'll go back to Namecheap, click on add new record, and I'm going to go with alias record, and then the host is going to be at, because it's doesn't have any subdomain, and I'm going to point it to this target, which is my app name.onrender.com. Now I'm also going to go with 1 minute for this one, and then I will save changes. So now that we have done this, all we need to do is come back here, wait for some time, so that all the configurations, you can see this was set to 1 minute, so I need to wait for 1 minute, and then from there I will just click on verify. So let's wait for 1 minute. So as we're waiting, sometimes this you see some error that says certificate error or something. You just need to keep refreshing and refreshing, and it takes some time. So you need to just wait for some time, and then it will process everything, and then you will see your site live. So I don't know, let me just click on verify and see if it's ready. And now let's scroll down. it says certificate error. Yes, so this is normal. Sometimes I see this error. You just need to wait for some time, and then you refresh and you refresh, and you see certificate issued. So I'm still going to keep refreshing till the verification is done, or I can maybe wait for some time. So as you're waiting, let's talk about something else. Maybe if you want me to create a video on something in Python, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that right for you. And also make sure you hit the like button. Just spoil it. Don't worry about YouTube. I will fix that later. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well and subscribe. I have more content coming up for you. And now I think I can go on and refresh and see if this is ready. Certificate issued, and now you can see. So I'm going to go on and click on this again, and now let's see. And you can see it's working, and now my big website is right here. And you can see this is secured. The site is secure. This is HTTPS, and right here you can see it, and my custom domain name right there. So that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As I said, just spoil it, I'll fix it later. And also the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.